My name is Ryan Fraze. I've been fishing my whole life and have recently gotten into hunting. If it swims, walks, or flies, I have to get it. Come with me as I travel to find the big one and cook up the eaters. This is my story, and these are real outdoor adventures.
What is up, guys? Today I'm reviewing the Little Chief Smoker from Smokehouse Products. Since 1968, the Little Chief Smoker is originally used in the heart of salmon country, Alaska, smoking meat from jerky, sausage, cheese. It still makes an excellent entry-level smoker today. It's nice to know that it's made right in Oregon and not just a cheap Chinese product. You can also go on the Smokehouse Products website and order replacement elements, insulation blanket, and more wood chips. Being electric, it makes it simple and just easy to use. Just set it and forget it with a constant temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It makes for a nice low and slow smoking process. It's made out of quality aluminum, and the dimensions are 12 by 24 and can apparently hold 12 pounds of meat. Unfortunately, being a 250 watt element makes smoking bigger meats such as brisket, whole chickens, and ribs a bit of a challenge. There have been a few modifications to it that people have been doing, like putting insulation blankets over it, building an enclosure around it to keep the heat in, and doing some upgrades to the element. I've seen a few other modifications that I'd like to try, and you might see that in a future video. As well as I have planned to do some smoking of whitefish. I have a whitefish from last year ice fishing that I plan to make a smoked whitefish dip. From what I've been reading, the smoker temperature for fish needs to be around 165 degrees, which is perfect for the smoker. But pork, brisket, pork butt, poultry needs to be around 225, 250, which wouldn't work so well. I plan to do an upgrade on the element, and I'll maybe keep you guys in the loop on that and see how it goes. If there's something that you want me to smoke in the smoker, post in the comments along with your favorite recipe. Both models I have here are front load models. This one is an aluminum color, it's the newer one, and this one is an older one, it's black. If you're interested in getting into the smoking meats, Smokehouse Products would make an excellent smoker for that. When you get your smoker, it comes with a drip tray, grates, handles, power cord, wood chip pan, and a bag of chips, and an instruction manual. The handles are easy to put on and don't require many tools. If you're interested in getting into smoking, the Little Chief Smoker is a great start. There's been a lot of information online, and I'll do my best to continue to make content on this Little Chief for you guys.